De Loeras, Camarines Sur 3rd District Engineering Office, with the subject's request for implementation details of the construction of multipurpose building, SKF Office, Balatas, Naga City.
Again, this is related to what you said, Councilor Jepson.
Yes, Mr. Chair. It's related to the item number 1 and 2, Mr. Chair.
Thank you. Next item, please, Mr. Secretary.
Letter dated August 5, 2025 from Victoria L. Aragon. President, women involved in national building. Containing the invitation about the empower her platform that drive economic growth. This is a national congress, on the 28th National Congress, with the theme Empower Her Platform That Drive Economic Growth on October 15 to 17, 2025.
We take note of that particular communication. Next item,
Nominal voting.
Councilor Rosales.
Mr. Chairman, I move to transfer all resolutions and ordinances to nominal voting and approve the same.
Any second? Any objection? There being none, the motion is approved.
Motion to adjourn, Mr. Chairman.
Adjournment. Thank you.
Objection.